In this video, we're going to do the first of many challenges. Now, I tried to make these challenges align with what we've already learned, but in some cases the solution requires a new function or trick that we haven't discussed. Now, that's on purpose because in the real world, the problems you come across aren't limited to the things you've already seen. So part of being a good data scientist is having the ability to search for a solution online and to read and interpret documentation. So I'm going to encourage you to do all of those things in your attempt to solve these problems. All right, let's get started on the first challenge. With your high school reunion fast approaching, you decide to get in shape and lose some weight. You record your weight every day for 5 weeks, starting on a Monday. Given these daily weights, build an array with your average weight per weekend. So here's the setup. Basically, I just import NumPy, and then I build an array of weights. So this weight here was recorded on a Monday. So then you have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So your solution should be a 5-element array, 1 element per weekend, where, for example, the first element in your resulting array should be the average of these two values because this is the first Saturday and Sunday. It's the first weekend. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can solve this problem. All right, so as they say, there's 1,000 ways to skin a cat. Here's the solution that I came up with. So let's go ahead and break this apart. So this piece here gives me the weight on every Saturday. And the way to read this is it's saying start at index 5, go until the end of the array because we leave the stop parameter empty here, and step by 7. So this is just basic slicing. And if we step by 7 starting from this value here, that's going to give us our weight on every Saturday. So then we can basically just copy that and tweak it to get our weight on every Sunday. And now we have 2 same-sized arrays, so we know we can add these together and their elements get added element-wise. So this gives us like the total weight per weekend. And then we can just wrap that in parentheses and divide by 2. Remember, this division gets applied to each element of the array. And that gives us our average value per weekend, which is our desired solution.